to be in Tipsy Part 2. Yeah, but I mean, congratulations to you and all you gorgeous, gorgeous team members, and good luck. I know it's taken a while to get this out there, and Deepak Tijori, you still fill up a screen like none other. It's good to see you on that big screen where you belong. So I love you, my friend, and good luck, and I hope the movie is a hit, and I hope that I'm going to be here celebrating with you many more.
Thank you so much. सर माइक अपने पास रखो. टू लेट अस नो अबाउट ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया, कास्टिंग कैसे करेंगे. सर रुको ना सर, फोटो भी तो चाहिए सर. हाँ ठीक है. So I call all of them.
Now the girls.
जिनसे पूछना कल रात क्या हुआ था. Alankita Sahai, Natasha Suri, Kainat Arora, Nazia Hussain, and Sonia Birje. Zorda Talia. When you have such beautiful girls around, आप ऐसे tipsy हो जाते हो.
But how do you still keep a face covered?
White करा लगता है.
So sir, ये such beautiful girls in Tipsy कैसे finalize किया?
I would like to just say a couple of things. हिंदी में साहब. तो मैं थोड़ी सी बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ इन पांचों लड़कियों का, because they have been extremely cooperative, or they've gone out of their way. They've played characters which is nowhere close to what their actual personality is, and they actually transformed. जैसे आपने देखा स्क्रीन के ऊपर वो बिल्कुल अलग ही तरीके से पेश आई हैं. And I think I've been very happy to have been with these 5 girls, because मुझे डर लग रहा था कि 5 लड़कियां सेट पे. मैं पहले 2 लड़कियों के साथ में मैंने एक बार काम किया था, और एक बार मैंने पूजा और रवीना के साथ पहला नशा में काम किया था. तब कसम खाई थी कि मैं 2 हीरोइनों के साथ साथ में नहीं था, फिर भी एक फोटोशूट में मेरे पसीने निकल गए थे, सिर्फ एक फोटोशूट में. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे सोचा था, अभी मैंने 5 लड़कियों के साथ जब हिम्मत करी मैंने बनाने की, सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि पता नहीं कैसी लड़कियां मिलेगी, बट आई थिंक दे हैव बीन सो वंडरफुल. थैंक यू ऑल यू गर्ल्स, absolutely gorgeous, and you've been such wonderful actors also. So I was very taken aback as and when we started rehearsing and started doing workshops. तो एक छोटी सी पेंटिंग होती है, उस पर थोड़े से जब कलर्स लगते हैं और धीरे धीरे जब पेंटिंग पूरी होने लगती है, तो वो जो एक नज़ारा था वो धीरे धीरे मैं इन लोगों में देख रहा था, and I was feeling happy that I made right choices of all the characters that I have picked up. So I was very thrilled, because बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था मेरे को उस टाइम पे, बट द मोमेंट वी वर ऑन द फ्लोर आई सॉ सम डिफरेंट कलर्स, एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली हैप्पी. गौरव, it's been such a wonderful journey. Thank you girls, thank you. And all the actors who are here again, they have all been so wonderful, जिनको हम लोग बाद में बुलाते हैं, मिलाते हैं आप लोग सबसे. So let's just finish the question. Yeah.
Guy who got us tipsy is right here.
So we'll just finish the question rounds with the girls and everybody.
शिलेंदर गौर से देखो उस आदमी को.
यही वो आदमी है. वो बेचारा मरा पड़ा हुआ देखो.
And Bhatt साहब said कि हिंदी में बोलो. But when you are tipsy ना, अपना अंग्रेजी निकलनी शुरू हो जाती है. I tell you something, what happened at that time. So, well, I'm sharing my experience about being tipsy. I think the house is open for the media. They can please ask questions to the cast, to the director, Bhatt साहब, Pooja ji. Drishti? Yeah.
Fennel.
Hi, Fennel, hi.
So I think the movie looks great, and I just wanted to know कि ये 3 P क्यों है in the film's title?
बस जनरली टिप्सी जो है वो बहुत इजीली लोग यूज कर लेते हैं, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू इंसिस्ट कि दिस इज रियली गेटिंग टल्ली, दे आर रियली गेटिंग टल्ली, सो इट वाज जस्ट एन एनहांसमेंट, दैट्स अबाउट इट.
दीपक जी,
Hello.
आपकी पहली वाली फिल्म पहला नशा,
जी,
एंड देन टिप्सी, लाइक पर आप पीते नहीं हो एक्चुअली बताया गया, तो ये सारे टाइटल लाइक यू नो व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर इट?
जो पीते नहीं है उनको ज्यादा ऑब्सेशन होता है नशे से.
हाँ, जैसे मैंने एक्टरों से जो वो नहीं है वो करवाया, मैं भी जिंदगी में भट्ट साहब से यही सीखा हूँ, मेक अ फिल्म विच इज एक्चुअली एक बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट मेरी जिंदगी में. बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रेशन हमेशा एक कास्ट किया था, शायद भट्ट साहब को याद नहीं होगा और शायद पूजा को भी याद नहीं होगा. मैंने मेरी पहली फिल्म बनाई थी ऊप्स, और तभी हम लोग कितनों के बाहर थे, पूजा और मैं और भट्ट साहब बाहर निकले, और वो भी डायरेक्टर बन रही थी, मैं भी डायरेक्टर बन रहा था, और हम लोग दोनों के कंधे पे हाथ रख के भट्ट साहब एक तरफ कोने में लेके गए, और उन्होंने बताया कि आज के बाद तुम लोगों के पास कोई फ्री टाइम नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड यू हैव अ फ्री टाइम, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम you are not working, you will be writing a script, you will be thinking about a story, and you will be making a film. That is what your life is going to be from here on. And that is something which I have always lived with, that I never give up. I always remember in my moments when I feel that मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, नहीं मुझे अब ये करना है, क्योंकि मुझे वो बातें याद आती हैं, तो मैं ये लिखते रहता हूँ, और उसी में से टिप्स निकली.
Hello everyone. Here sir, here. My name is Ayush. I'm from Bazooka. सर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा आप सभी ने काम किया. दीपक सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे, अभी के दौर पे कहीं ना कहीं एक्टर्स अपनी एज को रिवर्स कर रहे हैं, अनिल सर, शाहरुख सर, आमिर सर. वहीं हम जब आपके ऊपर नजर डालते हैं, ट्रेलर के अंदर देखा आप एक वाइट बियर्ड, वाइट हेयर्स लेके एक विंटेज लुक लेके चल रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं सर आपको ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि आप इस लुक के ऊपर क्या हमें मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, ये बताना चाहते हैं कि जो मेरी एज है भाई इतनी, मैं इसको छेड़ना नहीं चाहता?
जी बिल्कुल, मैं एक्चुअली उसी को सपोर्ट करता हूँ. I feel that there is, when I watch Robert De Niro doing work, Al Pacino doing work and playing their age, and Richard Gere playing his age, so why can't we make cinema in which we can play our age? So I think it's high time we do that and stop dancing around with 20-year-old around the trees. So
You can still dance with 20 years, but
play the age. Yeah, play your age. Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm proudly 52.
Yes. So that's what me and Pooja also looking at doing something together, which is going to be we will be playing our age. So that's what we are looking at. That's important today. So that's what I'm probably doing that. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
But साहब, the trailer में दिख रहा है कि it's, I mean it is the girls who to get tipsy here, Lipika here, Goa. So how much do you agree that times have changed?
Well, you don't need me to tell you how much the times have changed. There's a quantum leap, and what is astonishing mankind is that by the time we finish this trailer launch and step down, the world would have moved fast somewhere into another time zone. So I think that when your content, your entertainment content doesn't keep pace with these changing times and the changing taste buds of young people who are living life there, then you are left behind. There is a certain amount of restlessness which is reflected so efficiently, so effectively on the screen by Deepak as a writer, as a director. Obviously, he has an 18-year-old son whose energy perhaps he tunes into and learns more lessons than you learn from old people like me. Because I think it's an attention deficit age at which if you don't grab, there are no second chances in first impression. You have to make an impression. That's why when I saw the trailer, I said, and it's a hit. Because that's the way people see movies. They don't see them with anything else but the faculty of their body. We in the entertainment business must realize we are closer to the snake charmer, to the trapeze artist, to the dancing girl. We are not pundits, you know. I think those kind of movies, which are slow and inward looking, have had their run. And this caters unashamedly to your senses. Yet there are beautiful girls, there are beautiful locations, and you have crime. So I think it is reflecting very unashamedly the times that we live in.
Pooja, would you like to add something? You've already told us about you being tipsy then, and after watching the trailer, would you like to add something?
Well, I think that the fact that I can stand on a stage and talk unabashedly to the world about the fact that I used to at one point of my time be tipsy, and today that I'm 7.5 years sober, it means that being tipsy and being sober also मर्द की जागीर है नहीं, औरतों की जागीर है. हम भी पीते हैं, हम भी रिकवर करते हैं, हमको भी उतना ही दर्द महसूस होता है, उतनी तन्हाई होती है, and we can outdrink most men because our capacity to endure pain is much greater. That's a fact. So I'm glad that we are here with these women leading this movie called Tipsy, and it's not a male perspective. And I think that through the fun and the games, like Bhatt Sahab said, these are the times we're living in. High stress, lot of pressure, no matter what profession you're in, a drink is recommended to take the edge off. It works for some people, it can be disastrous for some. Like what happens to them. रात को क्या हुआ याद ही नहीं है. It's all fun and games to a point, but when you have a dead body in your pool, it's not fun and games. So this is also a reminder somewhere. I don't mean to bring a somber note into the event, but it's a reminder that anything in excess can go awfully wrong. So that is the message I would like to draw home. And like I said, a director who's never had a drop of alcohol in his life, drunk on life, can outdance most of us at most events, can stay up longer, remembers every phone number, remembers every kind of whatever, car number also. So I think that yes, the times have certainly changed, because I think women can get up there and show all facets of us, not only the Sati Savitri, but also the ones who fumble and fall and err and make mistakes, but then pick themselves up. And I think for that, times have changed, and I must say that I have a little bit to do with it, because I recovered openly. You know, I made the world my AA class.
दीपक जी भट्ट साहब ने काफी एडजेक्टिव्स ट्रेलर के लिए बोले थे. मुझे सेंसुअलिटी याद रह गया.
सबको यही याद रहता है.
इसके बाद sensuality, thrill, and I mean, in the trailer we could grasp that it is meaningful film also. Could you elaborate a little bit about sensuality and thrill?
Yeah, sensuality
Sells.
Yeah. Today's time it is very much meaningful. Yeah. Every time. So, there you go.
Is the recipe of life. Without sensuality, the human race would not be where it has come. You celebrate your senses. It's looked down upon by people, and we have in the entertainment world been on the in front of the firing. Animal need in man to our advantage. So I think sensuality is something that people use to draw people, attract people, and that's the purpose of the entertainer. To get bums on the seat is not an easy job, sir.
Then he said it. He said it. Just keep it. So I think that probably answers everything. So we have used the sensuality, but obviously to a certain extent we've got a film. We got the trailer UA. So we're definitely within the limits. So absolutely, it's to the advantage, and for the audience to actually come to the theatres also and sit.
Bhatt Sahab, to your left, Justin here from Indian Express. To your
Hi, Justin.
Hi. Bhatt Sahab, you said beautifully about the changing trend of the industry and your comment on Tipsy. It reminded me of a quote years ago where I think Nia Dubey had said that in Bollywood only sex and Shah Rukh Khan sells. Considering what's happening in the box office with regards to him and here on screen, do you think that quote still stands today true?
No, I don't think. I think sex has lost its allure in this age where images come into your home on your smartphone every second. The allure of sex in those days when there was no internet was different. When people had to throng to cinema houses to consume erotic content. But what I mean is that I feel that when you combine a fast-paced, edgy content with sensuality, then it certainly has what you call that word they use is that blood in the shark pool. That when you have blood in the shark pool, the sharks come running. Similarly, content which has got sensuality and crime and promises you a fast-paced, engaging content finds people are drawn to it. Look at your own taste when you go every night onto Netflix. What the hell do you look at? Seldom do you look at content at times at the end of the day. You want to see a thriller, you want to see a fast-paced film. This is that's why they have got so much of that kind of content from Spain, from Turkey. Yes, of course you do. There is a section which wants content which is introspective, but that is getting less and less. But I think today you can't define the word Bollywood. The doors are flung open. Humanity is looking awestruck at the future. It does not know where it's going. And anybody who thinks he has the answer is bullshitting to you. We have to be the answer. Like Deepak has been the answer. He has made his content. He is the answer. So we can't reduce movies, the journeys of movies. It's a dynamic thing to one quote given by whoever he may be or she may be way back in time.
You know, Pooja, just a quick follow-up. The film is about female friendships, and Deepak also mentioned that back in the day that he had difficulty in managing two actors on set. It just got me thinking.
We were never on set together, first of all. He had one photo shoot to endure, and the makeup artist hadn't shown up that day, and Gautam Rajadhaksha, God bless his soul, actually did mine and Ravina's makeup for that picture. So their behind the scenes is far more interesting sometimes than the movies we put out there. That's the 90s for you. We live very irreverently. We're not as correct as the people today, you know.
Which is exactly what I wanted to ask, Pooja. I mean, is it really just a sexist notion that two actresses can't be friends, or
they've given me the wings to be able to go out there and claim my space, and that's a fact. I wouldn't have been in Bigg Boss if it wasn't for these two Virgos in my life. They convinced me to do it. So, you know, they've always pushed me a little ahead. But I think that, yes, there is pressure because there is meant to be competition. And I think people get disappointed when the competition is not right. It's like, to give the example of Bigg Boss, people said very often while I was in that house, "Arey, ye to hum saath hai ban raha hai, ye to Bigg Boss nahi ban raha hai." But I was determined that it's not a platform where you have to go and demean people. It's a platform that reveals you. It does not make you what you are. So I said I have to go there and be me. The way I am in front of you, I will be there. Some people will palate it, some people will not. But you don't have to scream to be heard. And talking about sensuality, interestingly, Bhatt, we were talking about the fact that Gaiety Galaxy is just being pulled down. Yeah. And I'll never forget that memory, Deepak, when Ashiki ke time pe we had gone for the first day, first show, and I actually saw in front of my eyes Rahul Roy's life changed at Gaiety Galaxy. And I remember Jisn releasing in 2002. And there was a line around the block and over for that movie that promised sensuality, but did look inwards. It was a combination of a film that had sensuality but looked inwards. Spoke about, you know, the times where instant gratification took too long. Jisn 2, on the other hand, grabbed more eyeballs because of the obvious casting and the fact that it was a kind of a part 2 to the original that was a hit, but it didn't look as inwards as part 1. So I think what you're trying to say is that we've seen them all now. We've seen good-looking bodies, we've seen all of that, but if there's no soul beyond that body, I think that you can't grab people's interest beyond a point. So sensuality must look inwards, and it does. And that's when it kind of makes the mark. So I think I'm all for, and these are gorgeous women. And they're comfortable with their bodies, and they're appealing in swimsuits, and they're comfortable in their skin. Why not? What's the problem?
Deepak sir, you're left.
राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि फिल्म में आपने एक्टिंग की है, प्रोड्यूस भी कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर भी हैं आप। क्या तीनों रोल जब एक साथ करना होता है, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या होता है और सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट क्या होता है?
नहीं, देखो सबसे पहली बात तो प्रोड्यूसर बनना अच्छी बात नहीं है, बाकी सब तो ठीक है। But I'm thankful, I would say that, you know, that in spite of the fact that I was making Tipsy, just going a little off mark and just giving, you know, actual credit to people who actually had trust in me. जब मैं Tipsy बना रहा था और राजू चड्डा जी, he doesn't come from this world and he looks like...
Most. In spite of coming from a Bollywood background, it's not been an easy breakthrough for me. But here I am, excited, happy, nervous and grateful. Thank you so much. We are looking forward for your love and support. Thank you.
I have one question. We have time for one final question. So, or last.
Yes.
Sonia, you being a DJ, I guess of all the from the cast, you have the experience of observing tipsy girls.
Yeah.
And men.
And
boys
men.
rather.
In public in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess you kind of came, you were a natural choice for this role. And did you give input, suggestions to Deepak sir? Look, I've observed tipsy girls at disc and pubs.
I like your point of view. I like how you're thinking. So as a personal craft for me, it definitely comes handy because you understand the whole club scene. You see all kind of people in clubs. So yeah, but then Deepak sir is really kind and he offered me this role. He offered me a kick-ass role, which I really like. And now that you speak about my DJing, I have an official remix of Tipsy released under my name. And the video is going to come out soon. It's called Ishq Zara. Watch out for that.
Thank you. Now may I please call up on stage co-producer Sana Khan.
आते थे, उन्होंने दंगल गर्ल्स को ट्रेन किया, तनु वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में, एंड देन सान की आंख एंड आश्रम. So I thought I will learn my Haryanvi from the best because I'm working with the best.
Wow.
But coming back for the workshops with Deepak sir, that was an institution. वो जो मैंने सीखा, लेकिन जो इनसे सीखा, उसमें ज़मीन और आसमान का फ़र्क था. दीपक सर का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, ज़िंदगी का तजुर्बा जो है, वो इनकी वर्कशॉप्स में मैंने आके बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे. आई वॉज टोटली स्टन. मैं इनको देखते ही रह जाती थी कि ये कैसे विजुलाइज कर रहे हैं कैरेक्टर्स को. एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली ऑनर्ड एंड हैप्पी टू प्ले यामी. प्रोबेबली यामी बहुत ही सोबर कैरेक्टर है आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज गर्ल्स, बट यामी के साथ भी खेल जाते हैं. वो खेलते कौन है वो आपको टिप्सी देख के मालूम पड़ेगा. So yeah, it will be always close to my heart because I've not done something like that before. Thank you Deepak sir for casting me as Yami.
My experience with Tipsy has served at this point of time for 10 years. 10 years ago this project had started, and 10 years ago I've signed this film 3 times.
Okay. So we can write, na, जैसे लिखा था ना, 12 years old, 18 years old. This is 10 years old.
Personally, I don't think I've had such a long commitment in my life as much as I've had with this movie. And जब हम शुरू भी किए थे, जब sir told me about the film and all of that, he never gave me a script. He never told me what my character was. But just because I had known him for such a long time, worked with him on something, and he's just so bang on with everything, I blindly signed it. Every time it was coming up, things went kaput. I felt sad. Then it came up, and then eventually we started working on it. Personally, there were a lot of, for me, like the question came out of what's it like, with all the girls, and thoda insecurities हम सारों को आती है.
अच्छा.
होता है. I'm not going to sugarcoat it at all.
टिप्सी के बाद सच बोल रही है. Very good.
हाँ, because she's playing Iris.
मेरा कैरेक्टर ही नहीं है, मेरा कैरेक्टर यही है.
Okay.
और वो भी that is coming to me only कि मैं बोल ही देती हूँ. But by the end of the day, I think apart from the film, we've come out as a family. Alankrita, Kainat, these two especially have become so close in my life. They're one of my bestest friends. I've come out of this film with friendship, with a better sense of humor, and a lot of gumption. So all in all, I think I'm just so happy today that after the 8 years we're finally here and we're making it. And I think I'll cry listen to talk.
There are a few more questions from the media. Do we have time?
Hi.
हेलो हाय समीर हियर फ्रॉम मोटॉकिड्स मेरा सवाल दीपक सर से है
Deepak sir.
Okay, so before pandemic you announced Tom Dick Harry's sequel if you remember. So the thing is
We've always been having a party. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि कभी कभी लड़कियों को मूड करता था कि मैं आज शूटिंग पे नहीं आना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं बोलता था ठीक है मत आओ। फिर कभी कभी लड़कियाँ बोलती थी मेरा मूड नहीं है अभी ये सीन करने का, तो मैं बोलता था ठीक है। तो इट वाज मोर लाइक अ पार्टी बिकॉज आई मीन आई कुड मैनेज एवरीथिंग, सो इट वाज ऑल फन एंड गेम्स and I think it's been a wonderful experience. It was really quick and I think one of the best, the quickest film I've made.
So hi guys. Actually, in short, we troubled him a lot. It was not easy to handle 5 girls on the set. Trust me.
That's true, you know.
We have troubled him left, right, and center.
We had an amazing time. Hi guys, my name is Pony. The triple P you see in Tipsy is Pony, Pony, Pony going.
Never.
So I think I'm playing a very different character than I've played before in all my films. I'm playing this girl from West Delhi who is extremely modern but yet very coy and shy and out there, but has this really crazy sense of superstition which drives her in everything that she does in the film. While shooting the film, me and her had an action sequence which was amazing. I've done the sequence on my own, the action stunt. I fell into the pool and I injured my lip. वो फट गया था मेरे दांतों से और मेरे गम से और मेरे लिप से खून निकल रहा था. It was insane on set that we did this stunt together. Given the fact that she's of course taller than me, and we went down into the pool. We stopped shooting for 2 days, but somehow Sir was so cooperative during this entire sequence because I was swollen like a pig, like that. But somehow, I think my character, you should see in the film, you will love it or you don't love it, but I'm definitely going to crack you up. I would say one thing that working with Deepak sir, working with the girls, I would say कि बहुत मजा आया. We went through ups and downs, mood swings, difficulties. We had our own charades. We had a great time shooting together because he kept us together. He held us together. It's not easy to shoot with such gorgeous girls who have their own insecurity, vulnerabilities as actors that we do have, but we also have our strengths and our weaknesses. And he actually made sure that we stick together no matter what it is. And the film was a lot of fun. And the boys here as well. You had the lingerie in your mouth. I'm really sorry about that. And you really did a lot of things to us in the film, because of which the things went really crazy. And it's my bachelorette actually. मेरी शादी हो रही है तो इसलिए हम एक ट्रिप पे गए हैं गोवा. मेरी बैचलर पार्टी मनाने के लिए.
रात को क्या हुआ सब बताने वाला हूं मुझे.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. आगे please speak to a beautiful Natasha Suri.
But 1 second, before that I'll just say that लड़कियों को सेट पे लाने का काम से मैं बहुत दूर रहता था. वो काम मेरा एसोसिएट सनी करता था. So I think Sunny would be able to give you a good perspective about what used to be happening on the set with girls coming on the set.
But then we should also give our perspective with Sunny.
Yeah, our perspective with Sunny needs to be given
Okay,
out.
Natasha, carry on.
We will also.
Sunny, are you wearing your sunnies?
Sunny's vanished.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, he's right there.
इधर है.
मुझे वो लड़का लेने गए टिप्सी पार्ट 2 के लिए.
Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Suri. So, firstly, thank you for making me a part of this film. I was pretty much one of the last actors to come on board. मुझसे पहले और भी actresses थी जो तानिया play कर रही थी. If I had to describe Tipsy in one word, I would say it's a very special film. Special because of the things that it has gone through, the storms that we have weathered to make this film. Like she said, 10 साल लग गए इस film को बनाने में. So I think कहा जाता है कि हर फिल्म की अपनी किस्मत होती है. I think हमारी इस फिल्म की डेस्टिनी बहुत खास है, बहुत स्पेशल है. And thank you again for making me a part of Tipsy. And it was such a pleasure to be working with Deepak ji. Thank you again.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Birje. Bhatt Saab and Pooja ma'am, we are truly honored to have your presence. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you to all the media people for joining us today. This movie is really special and it will hold a very special place in my heart as this is my debut. My dream finally comes true. Deepak sir, I can never thank you enough. it's always the first people who believe in you that matters the most. It is the breakthrough in Bollywood which is the
थोड़ा यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाओ यहाँ पे हाँ लेफ्ट में आपके बस 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 कमान 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 बैठ जा टेंटा हाँ टेंटा भी गया आई नो नाउ यहाँ पर
With this, I'd like to thank Bhatt Saab and Pooja ma'am. Thank you so much.
WhatsApp और पूजा
Important team members, Anand Tizabai, congratulations to you as well.
I hope we haven't forgotten anybody from the cast.
मेरा रह गया
सर जिन लोगों ने काम नहीं किया इस पिक्चर में वो आ सकते हैं.
पिक्चर के बाद ही काम करते हैं डबल बना सकते हैं चलो हो गया कम क्लोज भट्ट साहब सब बैठे हाँ
Voted down to our team.
चलो थैंक यू